Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to the Animus, and today we are going to be reviewing the new Dspiae Year of the Snake tool set. Let's get right to it. Now, I want to start this video by saying that I am no way collaborating or anything with Newtype or Dspiae for this review. We actually went ahead and purchased this toolkit as we did with the Year of the Dragon toolkit, so we can go ahead and unbox it and take a look at it on the channel. Now, I have used Dspiae tools before, and I do use them on the channel on the regular. However, you know, just keep that in mind. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that, and even if it was, like I always mention in other videos, my reviews will always be honest. Now, I want to start by pointing out the actual art that we have here in this Dspiae toolkit. And let me tell you that they went above and beyond like they did last year with the Year of the Dragon for their box and display. Now, I do want to mention that this time they actually didn't put the stickers on the box itself, which actually ruined my Year of the Dragon one, which is very sad because I couldn't really take the label off before I went ahead and unboxed it. Now, for this tool, it does have a nice design on the back. The box seems to be a little bit sturdy. It does have some shipping damage because for some reason Newtype has stopped cushioning their boxes or whatever when they ship things inside. Like, there was nothing to secure this box inside the shipping box, so the box was actually hitting the corners everywhere, I'm guessing, during shipment. Now, you only do have a design in the front. You don't have designs on the side or the back of the box. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. So with this box, I do want to mention that this is held on by magnets. Just as soon as you open the box, you do see that you have your Dspiae with your single-bladed nippers with your little case there. You do have a nice Year of the Dragon coin from Dspiae, which is a collector's item for this toolkit. You also do have your hobby knife right here, and it includes two different hobby knives with two different size blades on it, which is actually pretty neat considering what you do with these toolkits. And I love the fact that they went ahead and decided to go with the gold again for the details on the actual blades and everything of the sort. Now, I do want to mention as well that your nippers will have a nice printed design on them from Dspiae. The Year of the Dragon did have them as well, but it wasn't really that noticeable. But it seems like this year it does have quite a little bit of detail there. The other thing that they include is going to be the actual turning tool or grinding tool that they sell as well, because I feel that they could have done way better in regards to display when it comes to this tool, considering that this is just a generic tool that you can get anywhere else for a little bit cheaper. I just so happen to have the Dspiae because I got it on sale, and I was glad that this one was included with the kit, but I am a little bit disappointed that it did not include any additional detail or anything like that. It was just the tool itself with the Dspiae. Now, one thing that I am grateful about is that they also included the bits for the tool. Now, this is not something that was included with your original tool, whenever you bought the tool itself, you would need to buy all the bits separate. So I'm actually glad that this time around they went ahead and included all the bits for the actual rotating tool. Now, this box is divided into two layers, so we're going to go ahead and take the top layer off and see what the bottom one is. So you do have, first of all, you do have the power cord for your rotating tool. Let me go ahead and set that to the side. You do have your little blades for your one of the hobby knives, and then you do have your other blades for the second hobby knife. Now, this is actually pretty cool because I think this is the first toolkit I've gotten from Dspiae that includes two different size blades, which is actually pretty convenient. And then at the bottom of the case, you do have this nice carrying tool that has all your sanding. It has the new sanding sticks. Well, I want to say sanding sticks, but these are sanding tools. It does have the nice 2025 Year of the Snake on there. And when you open the box, you do have your little tool right here with the actual adhesive paper that you can use for sanding. I think that this is probably the nicest one comparing it to the last year, because of these tools. These tools just make up for the whole thing from last year. I do love the fact that they did include these tools in this toolkit for this year. Aside from that, you do have a little hanging piece that you can use on the wall. So if you are into that, then you can do that as well. You also have labels that they included, so you can go ahead and mark your sanding tools with the grit that you are using for that tool. I think that was really good. I love the fact that they did include that in this toolkit for this year. And I'm really looking forward to what they come out with next year for the next Lunar Year toolkit. And that is it for today's video. It was just a short unboxing so you guys can see what this tool comes with, and what kind of, I'm kind of let down by the fact that this tool, like I said, it didn't bring any other detail. The nippers are the standard 3.0 that they sell with every year of the tool. The actual crown jewels are the actual gold plated or gold color plated hobby knives, and the actual sanding tools that come in the second layer. Those are probably the best things that this kit brought this year, and also the additional tool bits for your rotating tool. And that is it for today's video. If you like my content, go ahead and like and subscribe. We do have a lot of unboxings, a lot of reviews upcoming as well. I did experience a little bit of a mishap with my PC, but all of that is fixed right now. So we're going to keep rolling up. You're going to see a lot of reviews coming back to back to start the actual reviews with the Star Destroyer version black, which is the next review coming to the channel. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all next time.